It's quiet here. I like this place.
Yes, it feels warm and calm.
Let's look at the menu.
Okay, what do you want to drink?
I think I want a latte.
I will take an Americano.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please. The weather is cold.
Do you want some cake?
Yes, maybe we can share one.
Good idea. Which one do you like?
Chocolate cake is my favorite.
Then we take chocolate.
Our turn is next.
I will pay by card.
That's fine. Okay, let's go to the counter.
Hello. 2 coffees, please.
1 latte and 1 Americano.
Medium size, please.
Both hot, not iced.
Regular milk for the latte.
And sugar on the side, please.
1 chocolate cake, too.
Yes, just 1 piece.
We'll drink here.
You can write the name Anna.
Thank you.
How much is it?
It's $8.50.
Here's my card.
You need to type your PIN.
Done.
It's paid now.
Great. Let's wait for our drinks.
Look, that table near the window is free.
Perfect. Let's sit there.
I like the light here.
It's good for photos, too.
You always think of photos.
Haha, maybe.
I brought my notebook
What for?
to plan my week.
Good. I will check my emails.
Let's find the Wi-Fi password.
It's on the wall. Beans 2025.
Nice. I'll connect.
Is it fast?
Yes, good speed.
Our coffee will come soon.
When they call my name, I'll go.
No, I'll bring it.
Thanks.
No problem.
This coffee shop feels relaxing.
I like the music, too.
It's not too loud.
Perfect for talking.
Oh, they called your name.
I'll get it.
Okay, I'll clean the table.
Here we go. Latte and Americano.
Yay, thank you.
This latte looks nice.
Smells amazing.
The foam is beautiful.
Can you pass the sugar?
Sure, here you go.
I'll add a little.
I don't use sugar.
You like it strong.
Yes, clean taste.
Let's try the cake.
Okay, I'll cut it in half.
Thank you.
Here's your piece.
It's so soft.
And sweet.
Not too much, just right.
Perfect with coffee.
I agree.
So, what are our weekend plans?
Maybe the park.
It may rain.
Then maybe a museum.
Yes, I'll check tickets online.
We can go on Saturday.
Afternoon is good for me.
Same for me.
Great.
By the way, my class time changed.
Which day?
Tuesday. I start later now.
Then we can meet for morning coffee.
Sure, that sounds nice.
This coffee shop is a good place to study.
Yes, it's quiet and bright.
And they have sockets for laptops.
True. Very useful.
My coffee is still hot.
Mine too.
Do you want another cake next time?
Maybe something new, like cookies.
Yes, cookies sound good.
I'm writing my plan now.
And I'm checking my calendar.
Don't forget Saturday at 2 p.m.
I wrote it down.
Good.
I feel more awake now.
Coffee helps.
Definitely.
You work better after coffee?
Always.
Me too.
Let's do some reading now.
Sure.
I like this background music.
It's soft and cozy.
Maybe we come here every week.
I'd love that.
Okay, deal.
Wait, look at this latte art.
Oh, it's a heart.
So cute.
I'll take a photo.
Of course you will.
Just one.
Okay.
Say coffee time.
Coffee time.
Done.
Good photo?
Yes, perfect light.
You are a coffee photographer now.
That's my new job.
I like that.
Do you come to coffee shops alone sometimes?
Sometimes, to read or write.
Same here. It helps me focus.
Maybe we can study together next week.
Good idea.
I'll bring my laptop.
I'll bring my charger.
You always forget it.
Not this time.
We'll see.
You'll remind me anyway.
True.
How's your latte now?
Still warm. Very nice.
I like this Americano.
Strong flavor, right?
Yes, but smooth.
Next time, I'll try yours.
And I'll try your latte.
Deal.
We can write a coffee review.
Yes, Anna and Ben coffee reviews.
Sounds great.
Let's finish our drinks.
Slowly, no hurry.
I enjoy this moment.
Me too.
Do you hear that song?
Yes, it's relaxing.
It makes me feel sleepy.
Coffee will fix that.
True.
You look happier now.
Because of coffee and cake.
Best combo.
We should come again soon.
Maybe tomorrow.
You drink too much coffee.
There is no such thing.
Okay.
Let's take a short break now.
I'll write one more note.
I'll check messages.
Don't scroll too long.
Promise.
Okay.
Today feels peaceful.
Yes, like a calm weekend.
Coffee shops are like small worlds.
You're right.
Maybe we open our own one day.
Wow, that's a big dream.
Anna and Ben Cafe.
Nice name.
We'll serve only good coffee.
And chocolate cake, of course.
Absolutely.
Okay, dream later, work now.
Fine. Let's focus.
Coffee first, then work.
Always.
My coffee is almost finished.
Mine too. Should we get another one?
Maybe later. I don't want too much caffeine.
True. I think I already talk faster.
Yes, you sound excited.
What are you writing now?
Just a list for tomorrow.
Important things?
A few meetings and some study time.
Sounds busy.
What about you?
I have a small project for work.
Oh, the one with your new team?
Yes. We meet online every Thursday.
Nice. Do you like them?
Yes. They're friendly and smart.
That's great. What about your class? How's the teacher?
Very kind, but gives a lot of homework.
Oh no.
It's okay. I learn a lot.
You always do your best.
Thanks, Ben. That's sweet.
It's true.
Wait, did you hear that sound?
The milk steamer again.
It sounds funny.
Like a little dragon.
Yes. I love the smell of coffee here.
Same. It feels like home.
Maybe that's why we stay so long.
Probably. Time moves fast here.
How long have we been sitting?
Almost an hour, I think.
Really? It doesn't feel that long.
Because we're relaxed.
I could work here every day.
Me too. But I'd spend all my money.
True. Coffee isn't cheap.
Still worth it, though.
Definitely.
What will you do after this?
I'll go home and finish my project.
You work too much.
I like staying busy.
I admire that.
What about you?
I'll go for a short walk later.
That sounds nice.
It helps me clear my head.
I should try that too.
You sit too long with your laptop.
I know. I forget to move.
Coffee helps, but walking helps more.
True again.
Hey, look, it's raining now.
Oh, really? I didn't notice.
Just light rain. Looks pretty.
The window view is perfect for this.
Coffee and rain. Best combination.
100% agree.
It makes me feel calm.
Me too.
Let's stay a little longer.
Yes, until the rain stops.
I love moments like this.
Me too. Quiet, simple, warm.
I think this place will become our spot.
Our coffee spot.
Exactly.
Next time, we should try a new drink.
Like what?
Maybe caramel latte or mocha?
Oh, mocha. I love that.
Then it's decided for next time.
Deal.
You always say deal.
Because we always agree.
True.
Okay, let's work a bit more before we leave.
Good idea.
I'll write my last notes.
And I'll check my messages.
Don't get lost in your phone.
I won't, promise.
All right.
This music is so relaxing.
It is. I could listen all day.
Sometimes I think coffee shops are made for people like us.
People who love calm and good coffee.
Exactly.
Okay, focus time now.
Yes, quiet mode on.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
The rain sounds so peaceful.
Yes, like a soft song.
I like watching it fall on the window.
It makes me think.
About what?
About life, maybe. About time.
That's deep, Ben.
Rain makes me philosophical.
It's okay. I like your deep moments.
Thanks. What do you think about when it rains?
I think about my family sometimes.
Do they like coffee too?
My mom drinks tea. My dad loves Turkish coffee.
Ooh, strong one.
Yes, very strong. I can't drink it.
I tried once. It's like rocket fuel.
True.
But sometimes I miss the rain.
It feels cozy.
I grew up in a rainy city.
Maybe that's why you like coffee shops so much.
Maybe. Rain, books, and coffee. That's my world.
That sounds nice.
And what's your world?
Music, writing, and friends.
That fits you perfectly.
You think so?
Yes, you're creative and warm.
Aw, that's kind.
Just being honest.
You always say sweet things.
Because they're true.
Careful, I might blush.
Good. Coffee and blush. Perfect combo.
You're funny.
Only for you.
Okay, stop being charming.
Can't promise that.
Fine.
Look, the rain is getting stronger.
Oh, wow. People outside are running.
It's good we stayed here.
Yes, warm and dry.
I like moments like this. Simple and real.
Me too.
Do you remember the first time we met?
Of course. At the bus stop.
You had a big book in your hand.
Yes, and you asked, is the bus always late?
And you said, always, just like me.
I can't believe you remember that.
I remember everything.
That's impressive.
Maybe because I liked the moment.
You mean you liked me?
Maybe both.
Okay, that's sweet again.
It's true again.
You never stop, do you?
Not when I'm having good coffee and company.
Good save.
Thank you.
The rain looks like a movie scene now.
We just need some music.
We already have it. Listen.
Oh, right. It's perfect.
You know, I always wanted to write a story in a cafe.
About what?
About people, small talks, warm places like this.
Then this moment is your chapter 1.
Maybe it is.
Can I be in your story?
You already are.
Wow, that's an honor.
Don't get too proud.
Too late.
You're impossible.
That's what makes me interesting.
Or annoying.
A little of both.
True.
I like this honest friendship.
Me too. No masks, no stress.
Just coffee and rain.
That should be the title of your poem.
Coffee and rain. I like it.
You can write it tonight.
Only if you help me.
Deal.
Again, deal.
Always deal.
You really like that word.
Because it feels like a promise.
Then it's a promise.
Perfect.
The rain is softer now.
Yes, maybe it will stop soon.
Should we go after that?
Not yet. Let's wait a bit longer.
Fine by me.
I like slow afternoons.
Me too. No rush, no noise,
Just time to think and breathe.
and to talk.
Always that.
Maybe we should write down these little moments.
Like a coffee diary?
Yes! The coffee diary.
Sounds cute.
Each entry can be one meeting.
Like today, rainy coffee day.
Exactly.
Okay, that's officially chapter 1.
And I'll design the cover.
With a big coffee cup and 2 chairs.
That's perfect.
You see, we're a good team.
The best.
Let's toast to that with coffee.
Cheers.
Cheers.
This sip feels special.
Because it's shared.
You're right again.
I'm always right.
I can't argue with that.
Smart man.
Always.
Okay, time to write something.
I'll write my poem, you write your story.
Deal.
There it is again.
Yes, deal forever.
Look, the rain stopped.
Oh yes, the street looks clean and shiny.
I love that smell after rain.
Me too. Fresh air and wet ground.
The light outside is beautiful now.
Like gold on the street.
It makes me want to walk there.
We can, after one more sip.
Deal.
Of course you said that.
I can't stop.
Never do. It's your word now.
Maybe I should trademark it.
Deal by Anna. Nice brand.
You'd be the first customer.
And the manager.
We'd make a good team in business too.
Only if we get free coffee.
That's the rule.
So, what's next after our walk?
Maybe go to the bookstore.
Oh, I love that idea.
I thought you would.
Books and coffee. Best friends.
Just like us.
Exactly.
Do you read often?
Every night before sleep.
That's a good habit.
It helps me relax.
What's your favorite book?
Hard question. Maybe The Alchemist?
Oh, I read that too.
Really? What did you think?
Simple but deep. Makes you think.
That's why I like it.
And the message is beautiful.
Follow your dreams.
Always.
And what about you? Favorite book?
Little Women.
Classic. I know that one.
It feels warm, like home.
That fits you.
Thanks.
You always find comfort in small things.
Small things make big happiness.
I'll remember that.
You should write it in your poem.
I will. Maybe as the last line.
Small things make big happiness.
Perfect ending.
Talking with you gives me ideas.
Same here. You're my inspiration.
Stop, you'll make me smile too much.
That's the goal.
You win, as always.
I like winning like this.
You're impossible.
You say that every day.
Because it's true every day.
Fair point.
Look, it's getting dark outside.
The lights on the street look nice.
Everything feels calm.
Even time feels slower now.
That's the magic of coffee shops.
And the magic of good company.
You mean me.
Who else?
You're too nice today.
Maybe it's the caffeine.
Or maybe you just like being here.
I do.
Me too.
Do you come to this cafe often before we met?
No, it's my first time, actually.
Really? So I found it first.
You can take credit.
I'll take half.
Fine. Half credit, half cake.
Best deal ever.
See, you said deal this time.
You're a bad influence.
The best kind.
I can't argue with that.
Should we order water before leaving?
Good idea. We talked a lot.
2 waters, please.
Thanks.
I like that they serve it in glass bottles.
Classy.
Everything here feels simple but nice.
That's why it's special.
I'll come back here even alone.
I hope not too often without me.
Jealous already?
Just a little.
Don't worry, I'll text you first.
Promise.
Promise.
Good.
We sound like kids sometimes.
That's what makes life fun.
True.
Okay, next time, same table,
Same table, same cake.
same friends.
Always.
I like that word more than deal.
Always is stronger.
Yes, it feels real.
Okay, let's pack our things.
Don't forget your notebook.
And your charger.
Haha, I didn't forget this time.
Finally.
I'm learning.
Slowly, but yes.
Ready to go?
Almost. Let's take one last look.
The lights, the tables, the smell. I'll miss this place.
It's not goodbye, just see you later.
You're right.
I always am.
Yes, boss.
Let's go, partner.
After you.
Thanks, Ben.
For what?
For today. For coffee, for talk, for everything.
Anytime, Anna.
Okay, now let's go find that bookstore.
Lead the way.
And maybe one more coffee later?
Deal.
Of course.
I learned from the best.
Let's go before we change our minds.
Let's.
Goodbye, little cafe.
We'll be back soon.